I'm Clayton Boyd. I own Clayton Boyd Industries. We are a multifunction company that designs and builds luxury barns, and we also do property development and buy and sell and invest in real estate. I deal with a lot of large corporations, and a lot of times the bigger the company, the worse the experience, because a lot of things get lost in translation. It can just get combobulated. So far with Bell, it's been nothing but great. You guys' training academy, I didn't even know this going in before I bought a Bell, but your training academy is absolutely phenomenal. The experience that I got there, I genuinely felt like I mattered. I had 2 people in our class with an instructor. The flight time, I mean, we're flying with the best pilots in the world. Everybody there is ex-military with tons of time, tons of experience. They use a program called Unity. You can literally show piece by piece of the entire aircraft, and then they ask at the end of the segment what questions there are. They go back in and they can pull it up. I mean, it shows every single nut and bolt of the entire ship is put up on the screen, and it's really, really informative. And it's not so much just strictly book, it's real world applications. The pilots that I flew with would ask me, okay, hey, what's your scenario and where will you be flying and how will you be flying it? And they really simulated that in our training. Even auto rotations, they would set it up in a scenario that would be more likely to be realistic for me. I probably did 50 full down autos at the Bell Academy, and that was my first time to ever actually do a full down, was at the Bell Academy. And you just don't get that a lot, especially you wouldn't expect that in a company that's that big. I would say that the Academy was the best part so far of owning a 505. You know, you go into an aircraft, from a smaller aircraft, you know, even if somebody's in more of the disposable type helicopters that a lot of people train in, and you look at something like this and it can be overwhelming, especially with the flight deck and the dual channel FedEx. A lot of people are nervous about that because they're so accustomed to what they're used to. The Academy is set up for guys like that, guys like me that used to fly that ship. And in 1 week, I cannot tell you how comfortable I was. I felt comfortable enough, I flew my helicopter the next day and have never had an issue, never felt uncomfortable at all.